Hi everyone, thanks again for joining us for our webinar sessions that we have on the use of our sales tools. And in this session we're going to look at how to use the publisher selection section of the sales tools, and this is very similar to how we have done the author search or the category subject search. So we're going to show you how to go through that really quickly. It's a fairly simple tool to use, but again there's lots of good uses for it, and similar to every other session that we started, we got to begin by logging in. So once we are logged in, then we can click on the icon here and we'll go down to My Lists, and we'll begin by creating a list. So in this section we're going to focus on the publishers, so we'll click on that only, and then we'll move this forward. And similar to how we had the authors section, this is going to bring up a large list again of all of the publishers that we have in our system. There's over 500 publishers and imprints that we have. So if you want to search by your favorite publisher, you can begin here at the top by clicking on here, and then we can just start plugging in a publisher that we want. And typically I think how you would use this is you would be kind of focusing in on one of your favorite publishers that you tend to see lots of good product from, that you tend to buy. So for this instance we're going to think of Penguin as a publisher. So if we type in Penguin, as we do that we can see we've narrowed down the list here. So we can click on Penguin, Penguin Books, Penguin Canada if we want, Penguin Group. And then we also know that under Penguin they have multiple imprints, one of them being Plume. So we can add Plume as well to this list. Riverhead is another one. So we can click on Riverhead Books. And another one might be Berkeley. So Berkeley publisher, Berkeley, so a few different under Berkeley. So we'll go ahead and select all those to make sure we catch them all. So now we've got a group of publishers, and as you know that most publishers have a main publisher and then many imprints underneath it. So if you get that list compiled and you have it, you can actually copy that and paste it right into this bar again as well, similar to how we did the authors. So once you have all that done, you can go ahead and move that forward now as well. So we'll just go ahead and bring that forward, similar to how we've done the other ones. We have again these headers already selected for you for the different fields in your report, so we're not going to deal with that one right now. We'll just go ahead and move that forward, and now we can see when we go through our review section here that we had those 10 publishers that we clicked on that we've added to this field here, and now we can go ahead and create our list. We can put a name onto it, Penguin List, and then also the ability to create a template if we want to as well. And we're going to get into this template section in an upcoming webinar pretty soon. But through here you can see in the template section here, if we wanted to, we could set a schedule for having this done, sent to us on a regular basis. So if this is a publisher, maybe you want to see this every week to come to you every couple of weeks to remind you of all of the product that's come in from this publisher. And with the nature of how we do our business, you know that as we sort lots of product, that these publishers tend to be repeated over and over again for us. So this is a really great tool to sit and put a scheduler in for you, so you can keep getting regular updates of the product that we get in from your favorite publisher. So once we're done that, we can go ahead and create this, and then if we take a look at our Penguin list here, we can create that now, and then we can go ahead and open that up, and here we've got our list of all the different titles that are in stock from that publisher, and from here you've got a shoppable list that you can begin to place an order from. So it's that simple, and we hope that again that this is a tool that you'll be able to use. There's lots of different applications for it, and we hope that you will find this useful.